Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a beautiful butterfly while we learn Spanish. We draw the head, that is said, CABEZA. These are the antennas, that in Spanish is said, ANTENA. Let's draw the body. Body in Spanish is said, CUERPO. Now we draw their big, beautiful wings. Wing in Spanish is ala. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Now we draw the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say butterfly in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is AMARILLO. Let's go with orange. That in Spanish is said, NARANJA. We use purple. That is said, MORADO. We use pink. Pink in Spanish is said, ROSA. Let's see if you know the answer. Butterfly in Spanish is MARIPOSA. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.